Welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Cracksoft. In the last video we have seen basic editing options in the Filmora software. Now in this video we will see how to edit the video in Filmora. If you are new to this channel then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. First run the Filmora software and import the media. In the last video we have seen these options. In this video we will see how to edit videos. Now first import any video to the timeline. Now the first thing is to give titles in the video. So let's click on title. Here there are different titles are given as the template in the software. You can select, double click on any title to see the preview. Let's select this title and click on plus sign to add it into the timeline. Now see the preview. As the title is coming here. Now for edit the title, double click on the title in the timeline. Title panel is open here. You can change the title from here and change the font and font size and other effects of fonts. You can also rotate the fonts from here and change the font styles from here. For the animation, you can click on animation and here there are different animations are given and double click to apply the animation. As you can see, the animation is applied. Now to edit the audio, click on the video and right click on it and detach the audio. Now in the audio you double click on it and give the fade in effect, fade out effect, change the pitch and also change the equalizer from here and click on OK. As this way you can give the effects to the audio. Now for the split the video, click on here, click here. As the video is split into two. Now to apply transition here, click on transition and click and drag any transition to here. As you can also preview any transition by double clicking here. Now to add overlays to the video, click on effects and click and drag overlays to the video. See the difference here. There are different effects are given here for the video. Now in the elements menu you have different elements for the video, such as this placed on video. As this way there are different effects are given here. Now to make a simple background of different colors, click on sample colors and click any background. As we can give starting title background or other countdown videos such as this. Here stock videos are given for countdown and other applications. For export the video, click on export here and You can change the format from here, file name from here, file path, and click on the setting, and you can choose quality from here, and encoder, resolution, frame rate are here. You can also export the video according to your device or according to your application, and click on export as how we can export the video. If you find this video helpful, then do like our video, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.